This video will guide you in using your Qufora system. We'll explain how rectal irrigation works and give you some useful hints and tips on how to gain the best bowel management routine for you. Rectal irrigation, or transanal irrigation, has been used for many thousands of years. More recently, it's been used as a bowel management solution. It simply involves instilling warm water into the back passage and then allowing the water to expel. That empties the lower part of the bowel. It's quick and easy, it's effective and it's hygienic, allowing you to live your life to the full and not worry about your bowel. It takes a few weeks to get the best bowel management routine for you, so you should stay in touch with your healthcare professional because they can give you individual advice and support. Many people find irrigation easy to do right from the start, and their bowel symptoms are relieved very quickly. For some others, this may take a little longer. Learning something new can take a bit of practice, but the results will be worthwhile if you persevere. Sometimes the bowel gets into a routine easily, but for others it may require some modification. For example, your bowel medication. That's why many healthcare professionals advise irrigating every day for at least the first 3 months. You should fill in your bowel irrigation diary every day. This will help you and your healthcare professional to ensure that you have the best routine and modify it if necessary. Don't give up if the results are not what you would like to see immediately. It can take some time. The aim is for you to eventually have the bowel routine that fits in with you, so you don't have to worry about your bowel and you can get on with your life. Now let's take a look at the system in more detail. The Qufora bed system is easy to use and provides a hygienic way of emptying the bowel while in bed. It can be used for people who can't sit or be safely hoisted over a toilet, or those who find that bed bowel management is preferable. Fill the water bag with slightly more water than you need to irrigate, approximately 100 ml more. Then hang the water bag at shoulder height or slightly above. Fit the collection bag to the catheter with the insertion guide in the catheter. Now connect the tube that's connected to the water bag to the rectal catheter. Open the valve and pump water to fill the tubing, then close the valve again. Lubricate the tip of the catheter with a water-based lubricant. With a firm grip, hold onto the ring of the insertion guide at approximately the 500 ml mark. Position the patient on their left side near the edge of the bed. Carefully insert the catheter into the rectum. With the catheter in the rectum, remove the insertion guide and let it drop inside the collection bag. Make sure the plug on the bag is closed. Support the catheter to avoid it being pushed out. Open the valve and use the pump to instill water into the rectum. Around 500 ml is generally used, but your healthcare professional will advise you what's best for you. Open the plug in the bag to allow the stool and residual water to flow into the collection bag. If necessary, more water can be added and removed. Now remove the catheter from the rectum. Safely dispose of the catheter and collection bag in the clinical waste. Don't forget to fill in your irrigation diary each day and don't give up. So that's how you use your Qufora product. Don't forget to keep in touch with your healthcare professional. They can give you the individual advice and support that you'll need. If you need any more information about our Qufora products, please visit our website.